Hey there, future economists! Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about opportunity cost. It sounds complicated, but it's super relatable. Imagine choosing between an apple and a banana. Pick the apple, and the opportunity cost is the banana you didn't eat. Opportunity cost is all about our choices and what we miss out on. Now think bigger. You have an exam tomorrow, but your friends invite you out. If you study, the opportunity cost is the fun night. If you go out, it's the study time. Opportunity cost helps us weigh our options. It's a core economic concept. It helps us make better decisions, whether it's individual choices, business strategies, or government policies. Think about money. Buying a coffee daily means giving up saving for a vacation or a cool gadget. Opportunity cost helps us make smarter financial choices. Businesses use it too. Choosing between a new product or upgraded facilities, opportunity cost guides them to allocate resources efficiently. Opportunity cost is everywhere. It's not just an economic term, it's a tool for better everyday choices. So next time you decide, think about what you're giving up. That's it! Like, share, and subscribe for more cool insights. See you next time.